Okay, so the one I'm looking for is the face lotion, mattifying lotion. Is that it? I don't know.
You mean this?
Not that one. I don't know, guys. Might not find it.
This one?
So, starting the new year, we're teaching my daughter and my niece how to use a planner. So, Mimi is trying to find them one now. That's what we're doing, trying to get the goods. Okay, guys, so last year I showed you of Marley going to her fall festival, and now she has her cousins with her. Marley, turn around and say hey. Marley, come down. We got your tickets.
He's talking about is the spider fake? I think.
Marley.
Why does it have a lot of hay in it?
Look at that. Look. You're going to choose the fun house or the face cream. Read something and make that fly up. Hope it don't fly over her. I don't think they're coming back this way. Talk with him. Good man. Watch that ball down there. Watch that ball down there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't leave us. Hold on. I don't leave us. Why y'all holding on to me? It feels good in here, though. I'm gonna go. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what I got from Hobby Lobby in the sale section. My mama showed me like this whole big wall to where you can get everything marked down. And at first, the lady tried to charge me this amount for it, so she had to go back and ring me up for this price. But I just thought this was a cute little mug. I mean, for the price, I don't see why not. And then my mom is teaching my daughter and my niece about planning. So they both have their own little planners. Marla, let me see your planner real quick. So this is the one my daughter chose. She has a little planner. And my niece has one too. Let me see, Lana. This is my niece's planner. So they both got their planners. And then we went and got some things to put in their planner. And just some other stuff too. Like these pens. And these are paper clips. And, oh, some stickers. My mama ended up getting these. And I think some of this came from the Dollar Tree, the Dollar General. But they got some other stuff from Hobby Lobby the other day. So, just a lot of little stuff like this. And I think they're going to make a video showing them planning and just how they want to do stuff with their planner. And I think that's just a good process for them growing up and things to go by.